Hi guys, it's Andy here, Crypto Analyst at Trade and Train. And I just wanted to hit you with a really quick video today just to show you the most awesome tip on how you can make a 20% saving on every single crypto trade you make from here on in. And hey, if that sounds too good to be true, some of you guys are going to be making a hell of a lot more than that on your trades just based on this little inside information that we're able to give you today. Please also stay tuned to the end of the video because we're going to be previewing another video which is going to show you how you can copy us in returning some incredible passive incomes from cryptocurrency. And honestly, we think this is cryptocurrency's best kept secret. So you're going to want to stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, let me tell you how it is that we think you guys can save 20% on all your trades on cryptocurrency. Now that assumes that you're already trading with Binance, because Binance is the leading cryptocurrency brokerage in the whole world. And there's a good reason for that. They have the best ecosystem and they have the greatest volume and the greatest selection of cryptocurrencies. They're also a super stable platform and they have some of the lowest fees out there. But that's about to get even better because we have partnered up with Binance and they have offered us an awesome deal to help bring some of our team members over to Binance to begin trading there. And in return, they are willing to offer you a further 20% kickback on all your trading fees from now on. So just for joining as our member, you will get a further 20% saving on all your cryptocurrency trades. Now, that is pretty damn awesome. I don't think I know any trader or investor that can afford to give away 20% of anything back to anyone. So if you can, all profits to you, fair play. I personally am not in the camp where I'm in the business of giving away 20% for free. So if you're already on Binance, you can use our link, which will be popping up on screen right now, to sign up to a new Binance account using our link. And in return, all your future trades will be at a 20% discount. Now, if you're not already using Binance and you need us to sell you on why you should be trading on Binance, or at least trading some of your crypto portfolio on Binance, well, I'm going to run you through just those little bits of information in the next couple of minutes on this video here. So what you can see right here, purely on a fees basis, Binance is the place you want to be trading. If you're an entry-level customer with Binance with no trading volume already, so that's where you're always going to start off when you first start using Binance, well, you can see that their initial rate is 0.1% as a maker and a taker. If you need me to explain what maker-taker is, maker is just for the market makers, so they place their bids in the order book and the bids in the order book just sit there waiting for someone who needs that liquidity to buy or sell the coin that's on offer. So you're a maker if you're placing bids in the order book which later get filled. You're a taker if you're just taking the bids and asks that are already listed in the order book for yourself. So market orders are always taker. And as a taker, you typically pay a higher rate than if you're a market maker. It kind of makes sense, right? So you can see down here, once you've got a much higher trading volume, there is a difference between the maker and taker rate. In fact, it's double if you're a taker. But if we just look at the entry level right here, when you first start out, you can see that the maker-taker rate is identical. However, Binance actually offer you a 25% reduction on that rate, which is already super low. They're offering you a further reduction in exchange for paying your fees with their native currency. Cryptocurrency that Binance has is called BNB. It's the Binance coin. And if you pay your fees by holding Binance in your account, no matter how small an amount, your fees will be at 25% off. So you see 0.1%, meaning a tenth of a percent, drops to 0.075%. But those fees are going to drop another 20% if you just trade on Binance using our affiliate link. So that affiliate link is in the description and it's also popping up on screen now, hopefully. So you can click that link, sign up to a new account if you're already on Binance, and we will help you migrate your account over as well. So we're going to be releasing a video very soon which shows you how to make a cryptocurrency transfer. So that means your cryptocurrency that's in your Binance account already, or indeed on any other cryptocurrency platform you're using, you'll be able to migrate those cryptocurrency holdings directly across to your new Binance account. So you don't have to do anything in regards selling cryptocurrencies and then buying them back on Binance. You can literally just transfer your existing holdings right across to Binance. Now I'm going to show you why the fees on Binance are so good and why, if you're not already trading on Binance, why you really want to be trading there, even irrespective of our 20%, which makes it even better. So Crypto.com, which is a really popular exchange, and I see many people still using it, it has a good ecosystem. It also, much like Binance, has its own cryptocurrency called CRO. And if you pay your trading fees with CRO, you do get a discount. As you can see, it's just 10% off in this case. At the base level, joining Crypto.com, you are paying a maker-taker rate with the discount of 0.09%, and as a taker, you're paying 0.144%. So you can already see straight away, you're paying a higher rate on Crypto.com. So then when you also throw in the extra 20% off we're offering, you are really, really making a huge saving by being on Binance. Now, don't even get me started on eToro, because on eToro, if you're trading there, I've got really bad news for you. They integrate all of their fees into their spread. So as you can see here, the spread is simply the difference between the bid and the ask price on the order book. So in effect, if you see here, Bitcoin has a 0.75% spread, and that goes all the way up to, in the case of Tezos, XTZ, you're paying 5% spread. So in effect, depending on which side of the trade you're on, you're paying 2.5%. So it's 2.5% to enter, 2.5% to exit in this case. So those are huge fees, because we're talking an average of around 2% as opposed to 0.09% if you were on Crypto.com, and even lower if you're on Binance. So you want to not be trading on eToro, let me tell you. Now, I will just give you a very quick illustration of those fees and their differences in this little spreadsheet I made. So you can see here Binance using BNB, Binance fees using our 20% kickback rate, so it's even lower, and then comparing that to the CRO Crypto.com rate and the eToro rate. This is the average eToro rate using those spreads listed. Now, you can see that the extra fees you'll pay if you're using Crypto.com against the Binance rate is you'll be paying an extra 50% in fees as a maker every single time you trade. And if you're a taker, and let me tell you, if you're a retail trader, you're mostly going to be a taker. That's just a fact. You are going to be paying an extra 140% in fees every single time you place a trade. And let me remind you, your fees are compounding losses. So every time you pay a little fee, you're not being able to profit from that amount that was lost in your next trade. And so it compounds and compounds and compounds. These losses are compounding. So you really don't want to be paying over the odds on fees unnecessarily, especially if you know you can do better. Now, where eToro is concerned, I don't even want to talk about this really, but if you're trading on eToro, you are paying over 2,000% extra in your fees. And we talk about compounding fees. My goodness. Now, there's more reasons than just the fees to be trading on Binance. And specifically, those relate to, in my view, not just the ecosystem, but even the pure nuts and bolts of the most important thing, which is the cryptocurrencies available. Now, if I go to coinmarketcap.com, it shows us that at the moment there are recognized to be over 9,400 cryptos. Now, if you're trading on Crypto.com, you can see just these are their available trading pairs. And I can scroll down and they have approximately 150 or just more than 150 trading pairs in cryptocurrency. If we go and look at what eToro are trading, I mean, this is the whole list right here. There's like maybe 20. But if you go on Binance, you will see that there are a ridiculous number of active currency pairs. I mean, I can just keep scrolling. I can scroll as fast as I can. I have to keep clicking load more, and you will just keep seeing them come up. So what I just wanted to say is that you need to be taking advantage in cryptocurrency of all of the cryptocurrency coins that pop into existence pretty much on a daily basis, because quite often the coins that are going to make the biggest and quickest returns are the lower liquidity, newer coins which haven't yet grown, like the case of Bitcoin, of BCH, of Ethereum. These guys have been around a long time, and so they're already quite mature in terms of price. If you're getting in on these coins that have just launched, there's usually a lot more upside potential. So if you can see here with Binance, there's over 1,200 currency pairs in cryptocurrency already on Binance and growing by the day. Now, I'm also going to throw in another one into the mix here. With Binance, you're also looking at the volume here. This volume is $117 billion of volume. I think that's today. $117 billion of traded volume. If you look at the Crypto.com volume, it's 278 million. So we're talking like 6-7 times the volume just so far in the day. So really you want to be trading where the volume is, because where there's volume, that means there's traders, and where there's traders and volume, there's liquidity, and liquidity is how you're going to get into and out of your trades safely. So you do want to be trading on Binance, even if it's for a portion of your portfolio. Nobody's saying you should necessarily abandon crypto.com, for example, and come across to Binance with your whole account. You want to take it little by little. So you want to sign up to a Binance account today, and then you want to start using it a little bit, seeing how you find it, and slowly building up on Binance until the point where, you know, if you know you're saving on fees and you know you're getting a better liquidity and you know you're getting access to a ton more coins, then yeah, then it might be the time to move off across to Binance entirely. But take it step by step. You know, that's generally the best way to go about things in general. So one really cool thing about Binance is it has an innovation zone where they list all these brand new coins all the time. And they do that because they vet coins. Coins specifically want to be on Binance, of course, to have access to the big market. And coins that Binance thinks are going places, that have huge potential, and that they like the team and they like the idea behind the technology, they will list coins in the innovation zone. And you can see they're in the innovation zone, and so you know that they're newer and that they have more potential in theory. So you really want to have access to that on Binance, because in a lot of cases, the only way you'd otherwise get exposure to those coins nice and early, chances are you'd have to be interacting with the blockchain or doing some really technical stuff to purchase it, rather than just buying through a straightforward brokerage like Binance offers. So just to recap, the way that you're going to get an account with Binance using our referral link, whether you already have a Binance account or whether you need a new account entirely because you've never been on Binance, then the way you're going to do that is use the link that pops up on screen. We've also got it in the description. And you just hit that into your browser and this page here will load. So all you need to do now is create a free account by typing in an email address, typing in a password that you want to choose, and then you'll see down here it says referral ID, and you'll see that it says N6710XFR. And then right here you see your commission kickback rate, 20%. So that shows you that you are definitely getting 20% back on all your fees simply for joining up through us. You know, and for sure, it absolutely does help us too. It helps cement our relationship with Binance. When they see that our members are coming across and starting to use Binance because of our referral, that really does help. And, you know, I really hope with the content we've been putting out and some of the returns we've been seeing our members getting, I really, really hope you feel that that is actually something that we've earned. And hopefully you guys will all want to sign up and it helps everybody. All you have to do then is click that you've read the terms and conditions. In fact, I think they're automatically filled with a tick. And then create your account. And then it's really that straightforward. You just follow the steps. There is a little bit of KYC, know your customer identification, which you can upload. I don't think it's absolutely mandatory, but if you want to start using bigger withdrawal and deposit amounts, then really that's something you're going to want to do, but it takes no time at all and they verify so quickly, and then you're good to go. We're going to release more videos over the coming days and weeks. So for sure, one of those videos is coming right up, is how to migrate your cryptocurrency from elsewhere into your Binance account. Now, as I said before, you do not need to sell all your cryptocurrency holdings to then rebuy them in Binance. You can just transfer them absolutely natively from your current cryptocurrency broker into your Binance account. And it takes no time, it's super easy, super safe, and we will show you how to do that in a video coming up really soon. But it doesn't stop there, of course, because we've got tons of other video content coming out over the next days and weeks that we'd love you to see, including, to begin with, loads of stuff about how to make the most of both the Binance platform itself and also the ecosystem surrounding it. So you'll want to stay tuned for that. So please do hit the subscribe button on YouTube to our channel, and also hit notifications on so that you find out as soon as those videos launch. Now, at the start of the video today, I did say we were going to be previewing a video that's going to be launched really soon, which is actually how you can make incredible incomes passively through the cryptocurrency markets, using a strategy that we think is cryptocurrency's best kept secret. There, I said it. So tune in for the next video, hit subscribe and turn notifications on, because we'll soon be telling you how you can invest passively in cryptocurrency, and we'll show you how you can make a return of 65,000%. Yeah, that's right, 65,000% in a year. We'll be revealing all of that in our next big video, so stay tuned and please do hit us up in the comments or in the usual channels, and we will be more than happy to help you with any questions you've got about today's video or anything else in the cryptocurrency space that we can help with. Stay safe out there and invest sensibly, and we will see you next time. Take care.